Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on the topic My Favorite Cricketer. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli. Second line is He is widely regarded as one of the best batsmen in the world. Third line is I like him for his aggressive style of play. Fourth line is He is also a very disciplined player. And he is known for his dedication to fitness and training. Fifth line is He has a very successful record in both Test and ODI cricket. Sixth line is He has also led the Indian team to many victories. Seventh line is He is admired by me for his sportsmanship and leadership qualities. Eighth line is He has also been involved in many charitable initiatives. Next line is, he is a role model for many young cricketers in India and around the world. Last line is, he is an inspiration for me and also for many youngsters like me.